You're lying in bed, exhausted. Every part of your body is telling you to sleep, but your brain has other plans. Out of nowhere, it starts replaying an awkward conversation from years ago. A random fear. A problem that doesn't even matter anymore. Anything except letting you rest. If that's happened to you, you're not broken, and you're definitely not alone. Today, I'm going to explain exactly why your brain does this and give you the fixes that actually work. Why does your brain do this at night? There are 3 main reasons your brain refuses to switch off at night. Let's go through them one at a time. Reason number 1, free time. Think about your day. You wake up, eat breakfast, and get straight into it: work, errands, conversations, notifications. Your brain stays occupied almost every waking minute. Then you lie down at night, and all of that stops. For the first time all day, your brain has nothing left to distract it. So it does the only thing it knows how to do: it starts replaying everything it didn't have time to process. Conversations, awkward moments, fears, problems. That's what pushes your brain into overthinking mode at exactly the moment it's supposed to be winding down. Reason number 2, unfinished tasks. This might be the most common cause of overthinking, and honestly, the easiest one to fix. Picture this. You wake up motivated. You plan to get 3 things done today, but right before you start, your brain whispers, "I'll start in 5 minutes." Those 5 minutes turn into 5 hours of scrolling reels. Lunch happens. The day disappears. Then you go to bed, and your to-do list is still sitting there, untouched. Suddenly you're lying in the dark, replaying everything you didn't do, being harsh on yourself about it. There's actually a name for this in psychology. It's called the Zeigarnik Effect. Our brains hold on to unfinished tasks far more tightly than finished ones, treating them like an alarm that hasn't been switched off. That's why an open to-do list feels so loud at 11 p.m. Wait, is this insomnia? If this happens almost every night, you might be wondering, does this mean I have insomnia? Not necessarily. Occasional overthinking before bed is incredibly common, and on its own, it doesn't mean you have a sleep disorder. Insomnia is usually only diagnosed when it happens at least 3 nights a week for 3 months or more, and it's actually affecting your daily life. It's more common than you'd think. Roughly 1 in 10 adults deal with it, rising to about 1 in 3 among older adults. So if that's you, you're far from alone, and it's worth talking to a doctor. But here's something genuinely interesting. A 2025 study from the University of South Australia found that insomnia isn't always just about stress or bad habits. Researchers discovered that in people with insomnia, the brain's internal clock fails to send a strong enough power down signal at night, so their mind keeps running in daytime mode long after they've gone to bed. In other words, sometimes it's not just what you're thinking about, it's that your brain hasn't learned how to slow down yet. The good news? The fix is already on its way. But there's one more reason standing between you and it. Reason number 3, stress right before sleep. Your guard comes down, and that's exactly when your brain starts scanning for problems. What did I do wrong today? What could go wrong tomorrow? You replay bad memories and worry about situations that haven't even happened yet, and your brain treats every one of those thoughts like it's happening right now. This is called rumination, and it's one of the biggest sleep killers there is. All right, you know the why. Now let's fix it. These 4 methods have personally helped me, and they can help you too. Number 1, meditate just 10 minutes a day. Meditation trains your brain to slow down and let go of repetitive thoughts. That's exactly the skill an overactive brain is missing at night. That's fix 1. But meditation takes time to build. Here's something faster you can try tonight. Number 2, write it down. Whenever my thoughts get loud, I grab a pen and dump everything running through my head onto paper. It sounds too simple to work. Writing down gives your brain permission to stop guarding it, even before it's actually done. That's why this works so well. That's fix 2. But what about the nights you're too tired to even hold a pen? Here's one that takes 0 effort, just your breath. Number 3, slow your breathing. One night, my mind wouldn't stop racing, so I focused only on slow, deep breaths. Within a few minutes, my thoughts actually started to settle. Slow breathing tells your nervous system it's safe to power down. That's fix 3. Every fix so far has helped calm your mind once it's already racing. Here's the last one, and it stops the racing before it even starts. Number 4, put the phone away and keep a consistent sleep schedule. Scrolling keeps your brain in daytime mode, the exact opposite of what you need before bed. Going to sleep at the same time every night helps retrain your internal clock to power down when it's supposed to. These 4 habits are the ones that have helped me the most, and I genuinely believe they can help you too. So tonight, don't try all 4 at once. Just pick one and see what changes. If this video helped you understand your own mind a little better, hit like, subscribe for more videos like this, and tell me in the comments which of these 3 reasons hits closest to home for you. I'll see you in the next one.